You've built a life most people can't even imagine. You've hit milestones. You've made the money. You've broken every ceiling they said that you would not. So why does it still feel like it's not enough? If you are a high-achieving Muslim woman, you've probably noticed something strange. The more you accomplish, the more empty you feel. The more you succeed, the heavier your chest gets. So you have tried therapy before, or journaling, or affirmations, or breathwork, all the trendy ways to make you feel better. But none of it really touches the real issue. They just make you feel better for a second, but then you go back to your identity. Because here's the truth. Your self-worth isn't broken because you have not achieved enough. It's because you have been searching for your worth in the wrong places. In the places where Allah never put your worth. So obviously you won't find it there. In this video, I'm going to show you how the Quran speaks about worth and how you can rebuild it with Allah's truth. And by the end of this video, you will understand why success has not made you feel worthy, and you'll have the framework to rebuild your self-worth. Be real. You are accomplished. You are powerful. You have a life your younger self dreamed of, but inside, it does not feel like your dream life. There's that quiet noise and voice saying, still not enough, keep going, do more. It's like the more that you achieve, the higher the bar moves. Your peace keeps getting delayed. You don't have time to be happy and to rest because there's so much things to do even more. Your nervous system never gets to rest. You're always going, but you're never arriving. You were taught that worth is something that you have to earn, that you have to deserve your success, that you have to deserve your results. So you keep earning and earning and earning. But deep down, you know it's not working. The whole system is broken. You've been taught that your worth is something that you need to deserve. But what if that's a big fat lie? So here is what the Quran actually teaches us about self-worth. Self-worth in Islam is not something that you need to build. It's something that you remember. Like your name. You were given your name. You don't have to earn your name. Allah already decreed your worth before your first breath. And it has nothing to do with your success, your performance, your hustle, the trophies that you have. You were created in ahsani taqweem, the best form. Your dignity, your karama is divine. Allah said that every child of Adam is dignified and honored, and no one can ever take that away from you. Your worth is qadar. It's written, it's fixed, it's a given by Allah. So your achievements don't increase it, and your failures don't decrease your worth either. When you understand that your worth is already written by Allah, you stop needing the world to validate you, to praise you, to acknowledge you, because you know and own your truth. You stop needing achievements to prove that you are worthy, because you already embody your soul. When you tie your worth to achievement, you create a fragile identity. One bad day, one missed goal, one slow month in business, and your entire sense of self collapses. You don't know who you are. You have an identity crisis because your worth is sitting on top of a tower of doing more instead of a foundation of being more. So the foundation has to be strong before you can even build on top of that. So you have mastered the building, but what about the foundation? You're not addicted to achieving. You are addicted to the relief that achievement gives you. Yes, Islam teaches striving, but striving has to come from alignment, not from fear. It has to come from purpose and not from panic attacks. Striving and working from worthiness, not from desperation and insecurity. So every time you achieve something, you feel a moment of relief. Finally, you think, I am worthy. But then the feeling fades away and you are back to chasing the next achievement, because deep down you know that accomplishment is not filling the void, it's just a distraction. And now you know what the real cause of the issue is. Now, this is what you need to know about the Quran. Your salary, your title, your productivity, the praise, the perfection, that's not how Quran uses metrics to view your self-worth. Your worth is protected by Allah. Identify the moments that you are worthy, not only when you finish a project or you check off that thing from your to-do list. So notice it, because your awareness breaks the spell. Your worth is not earned. It's not conditional. It's not fluctuating. It's written. You are worthy not because of what you do. You are worthy because of who you are. You are Allah's creation, made in ahsani taqweem. So every morning start with, my worth is decreed by Allah, not earned, not negotiable. And let it sink into your nervous system. Keep saying it until you feel it. Then comes your new identity. When you feel worthy, you stop hustling for approval. You stop saying yes out of fear. You stop abandoning your feminine for survival mode. You start choosing what aligns with your purpose, not just what looks impressive for other people. This this is where the exhaustion stops. Not because you don't work anymore, but because you don't work in the wrong way to prove something to anyone or to someone else. So find one commitment this week that you took out of fear or pressure and how to release it. You're not here to be everything for everyone. Don't tell people and promise them to be there for them whenever they need you. Let me know. No, why would you do that? So remember your worth through dhikr, salah, and Qur'an, because those are not just rituals, those are resets of your nervous system, how you clock in a new identity. Every time you pray, remember your worth. Every time you make dua, remember that you don't have to earn Allah's attention. So choose one simple daily remembrance ritual. Let it become your anchor and ground yourself in it. Be in it, not just do it. And this is where most women struggle, not in understanding the things, but in actually embodying them. Inside the nafs shift, this is the work that we do. We rebuild your worth from the Qur'an so that your body, your emotions, your nervous system finally feels safe enough to soften, to open, to receive, to surrender. If your heart has been craving this shift, you can learn more from the first link below. When your worth comes from Allah instead of achievements, your entire life recalibrates. You quantum leap, you jump timelines, your body softens, your decisions become clearer, and your relationships, they deepen, especially with men. Because if you want a masculine man, you have to be a feminine woman. Your business grows with ease because you're no longer forcing from the masculine energy. You are allowing and receiving from the feminine energy. When you know you are worthy, you stop overgiving, overworking, overproving. You start building a life that actually reflects your worth. This shift does not happen overnight, but it all begins with one decision. Stop right now. Stop believing the lie that your worth is earned and start remembering the truth that your worth is written. So now you see what the Quran has been teaching you all along. Your worth was never tied to accomplishments. It was written by Allah in al-Lawh al-Mahfuz in the highest heaven before you even existed. And when you rebuild your worth, your consciousness, your identity from that place of truth, your entire life shifts. Your future changes. Your decisions become lighter. Your relationships begin to nourish you. Your heart becomes soft and full of love and rest. Your body becomes rested. You stop chasing value from the world because you already feel grounded in Allah's presence. You feel that you live life with Allah and that Allah lives with you. If you are ready to live from that point, to live heaven on earth like you're supposed to as a Muslimah with truth, then the nafs shift is the next step for you. You can learn more through the first link in the description. Watch the video there. If it speaks to your heart, you will be able to book a free call with me to see if I can help you as I did with many Muslim women before you. And may Allah place peace in your heart, remind you of your worth every single day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.